Hey, it's Woolsey, and here's PC Tips and Tricks Part 8. And today I'm going to be showing you some essential Google Chrome shortcuts and just some tips and tricks that you might not already know. So for the first one, if you want to quickly switch between all your different tabs, just do Control, Shift, plus Tab. And next up, if you want to close the tab you're on, just do Control plus W. And if you want to open a new tab, do Control plus T. Next up, if you accidentally close a tab, but you don't want to go to your search history to find it, just do Control Shift plus T and it will automatically reopen that tab. And finally, if you want a tab to open every time you start up Google, right click the tab and click Pin. And now every time you open up Google, that tab will appear first. And let me know if you guys found these helpful, because I have a bunch more tips and tricks similar to these.
Stay with me.
So, you just got a new computer and your games or whatever it may be is not running like you think it should be. Try these tips. Go to your search bar, search game mode settings, and turn that off. Same game tab, go up to Xbox game bar and shut that off too. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, try this as well. Right click, NVIDIA control panel. Put this bar all the way to performance. It should be probably in the middle, or it might actually be all the way over here. Put it to performance. Go to change resolution and make sure it is on the right resolution in your right refresh rate. And always remember, keep smiling, stay positive, and peace out.
Here's some things you should do immediately after getting your PC. So what you're going to want to do is open your motherboard software. For me, I have an MSI motherboard, so it's going to be called Dragon Center. From here, it'll pop up a few of the games you've downloaded. And then you will see gaming mode. We want that on. And then from there, you just check the games you want gaming mode on. Make sure it says extreme performance, and then you're good.
Stay with me.
Here's a PC tip that you just might need. If your PC ever gives you a black screen like this, just hit Windows, Control, Shift, and B, and it'll reset your graphics drivers. After that, you should be good to go.
PC tips for PC players part 5. You want to go over here and type graphics settings, and then browse, then pick the game you want to FPS boost. When you press it, it'll come here, press options, and put it on high performance, and click save.
PC tips you just might need. If you have this activate Windows watermark, here's how you can get rid of it. Click the Windows button and type in CMD. Right click Command Prompt and run as admin. Once this screen comes up, type in exactly what you see. After that, click enter and it should say completed successfully. Now all you have to do is restart your computer.
Hey guys, got the perfect shortcut for anyone that only has one monitor. You can create a virtual desktop by pressing Control Windows D, and you'll get a new desktop. So you can organize some applications in this one. Then to switch between the two, you can use the Control, Windows, and the arrow keys. Then I can keep creating some if I want to. And then to look at all of them, press Window and Tab, and you'll see all of them up top. You can exit out if you want to. Follow for more PC tips, do it.
Here's another PC tip. This is slowing down your computer and you probably didn't even know. You need to delete the temp files that are being stored on your computer. Click on the Windows key plus R and then type in temp. Make sure you delete all these temporary files because they could fill up your storage device and then in turn will cause your computer to slow down. Make sure you do the same thing with %temp%. Delete.
You like free stuff for your PC? Of course you do. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So everybody knows about Wallpaper Engine, but nobody wants to pay for it. This is Lively Wallpaper on the Microsoft Store, and it's free, $0. They've got a bunch of preloaded wallpapers, and you can make your own, and they move. How cool is that?
PC Tips Part 5. If you didn't know, you can actually customize your start menu. You can drag it out, drag it up. Also, by left-clicking and unpinning these, you can make the start cleaner and smaller. Like for Part 6.
PC applications you need to download Part 3. Be sure to follow me throughout these series because I feel like you guys love them. Today's PC application is WeMod. It allows you to mod games from Steam, like GTA to get unlimited money, Cyberpunk 2077, and it's free, guys.
PC tips for PC players part 5. You want to go over here and type graphics settings, and then browse, Then pick the game you want to FPS boost. When you press it, it'll come here, press options, and put it on high performance, and click save.
PC tips you just might need. If you have this activate Windows watermark, here's how you can get rid of it. Click the Windows button and type in CMD. Right-click Command Prop and run as admin. Once this screen comes up, type in exactly what you see. After that, click Enter and it should say completed successfully. Now all you have to do is restart your computer.
Here's another PC tip. This is slowing down your computer and you probably didn't even know. You need to delete the temp files that are being stored on your computer. Click on the Windows key plus R and then type in temp. Make sure you delete all these temporary files because they could fill up your storage device and then in turn will cause your computer to slow down. Make sure you do the same thing with %temp%. Delete.
If you play games on PC, you need to do this right now. Click on the Windows button and then click Settings. Next, go to the Gaming tab and then click Captures. Turn off Record in the background while I'm playing a game, and now you got better FPS.
You need to do this on your laptop or PC. Press Windows key and R and enter %temp%. These are your computer's temporary files that you don't need. Control A to select them all and you can right click and delete. My computer had about 20 gigabytes freed up just from this one thing. Leave a like if this helped and make sure to follow for more tech content.
PC tips and tricks that you need to know, part 1. In order to make sure that you're playing at the right FPS, you need to check your monitor's refresh rate. Now, if you're playing console on a TV, you'll probably have to look up the manufacturer specs. Step 1, right click and go to display settings. Select the monitor that you want to look at and then scroll all the way down to advanced display settings. Once this pulls up right here by refresh rate, you'll see what yours is. In order to change your refresh rate, go ahead and click this right here, come up, click monitor at the top, and then your refresh rate can be adapted right here.
Here's how you can get an invisible taskbar and make all the icons go to the center of the screen. Click the Windows button and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Taskbar X and install it on your device. Once you install it, open it up, click Transparent, check this box, and click Apply. It's going to fix your taskbar, and now it's invisible.